Hi, my name is Matt. I'm an artist and an illustrator. My work can be found in many private collections and publications, but what I'm most passionate about is teaching. I started thevirtualinstructor.com back in 2010 as a place to hold videos for the students that missed my classes. But over time, I found that I was able to reach more and help more with my videos. Many visitors to the site commented how they wanted to learn more and go deeper in depth with specific types of media.
Some even asked for one-on-one lessons. Others told me that they had learned more from my videos than they had in expensive live classes that they had paid for. Hearing these words encouraged me to expand thevirtualinstructor.com and offer more to my visitors. I wanted to create a community of learners. I wanted to offer special courses and virtual classes where students could interact with me, just like in a real class. I wanted to connect with my students and enjoy the journey of growth with them. I wanted to make it accessible to everyone by making it affordable. That's why I created thevirtualinstructor.com members.
I believe that everyone should be able to experience the joy and gratification that comes from creating art. My goal is to produce the highest quality art instruction available online, but offer it all at an affordable price. I wanted to create a program that addressed many different learning styles. That's why I include videos and ebooks. I also wanted to let students learn at their own pace, so there's no pressure to view videos in a required amount of time. In fact, you have access to all the videos, all the lessons, all the ebooks to use whenever you need to or whenever you want to. And the best part is you can download them so you can watch them later without an internet connection. The membership section now features over 300 videos. That's 6,248 minutes of instruction and over 440 pages of ebooks. Here's a closer look at some of the benefits of membership.
The first benefit to membership is access to all of the courses. The first course you gain access to is the Secrets to Drawing video course. The Secrets to Drawing is the most comprehensive and in-depth drawing instruction course available. It includes over 5 hours of high-definition video on the core concepts of drawing. The course is broken down into easy-to-follow, easy-to-understand modules, which include a video and an ebook. Each module covers a technique or a concept, including graphite, pen and ink, oil pastel, soft pastel, charcoal, and more. Portrait drawing and figure drawing are also covered, as well as creating the illusion of space in your drawings and using the elements and principles the way they are meant to be used to create representational drawing. This course is designed with the learner in mind so that each module builds upon the last. Now understand that everyone learns from watching videos, so I've included ebooks with the course as well. Each ebook correlates with the video and includes full color imagery as well as commentary. The ebooks combine for a total of 176 pages. Being a member also means you gain access to the Pastel Landscape Mastery video series. This comprehensive course on landscape drawing covers every aspect of creating a landscape using the medium of pastel. Each module focuses on a different aspect of landscape drawing, all with the specific media of soft pastel in mind. And each video also includes step-by-step ebooks. Members also gain access to the Oil Painting Master Series, which is in production right now. This series is taught by oil painter and teacher Ashley Bain-Hurst. This course is designed for beginner and intermediate artists looking to get started with oil painting. The course provides an overview of the medium of oil painting and covers the concepts of materials, pre-painting fundamentals, blending oil paint, creating an underpainting, indirect and direct painting, impressionist painting, non-traditional painting, portraiture, and more. And of course, just like the other courses offered at thevirtualinstructor.com, each video includes an ebook to help you follow along. Being a member also means you gain access to weekly 1-hour live lessons. Each week I stream a 1-hour live lesson directly from my studio to your house. You can interact live with me via a chat box on the live stream page. Members can ask questions, they can interact with other members as well. It's as close to having a real live class as possible over the internet. Can't make it to a live lesson? No problem. All of the past lessons are recorded. Currently, there are over 60 hours of recorded live lessons that you can go back and watch. Each one of the live lessons is presented in real time, so you can stop it and rewind plus you can download it. Which brings me to the next feature of membership. Every single video is available for download. This includes all of the videos available on the free part of the site as well. Currently, there are over 200 videos available for you to download. Members also gain access to the Ultimate Lesson Plan. The Ultimate Lesson Plan is the ultimate classroom solution for visual arts teachers. Each lesson plan includes vocabulary, introductory videos, key points or essential questions, a PowerPoint presentation, also available as a keynote presentation, supplementary videos, project examples, art history references, as well as handouts that can be downloaded by students or printed out by the teacher and distributed in class. It also includes a quiz and an assessment form for each one of the units. These lessons are designed to emphasize the fundamentals of art by providing students with a rich multimedia experience followed by an art production activity that reinforces concepts. Each lesson builds upon the last and follows a logical progression. Presenting lessons in this way allows students to make connections on concepts learned in prior lessons and provide students with a complete understanding of art production and appreciation. But that's not all. Being a member means that you also gain access to all of the new courses that I develop, like the colored pencil course. This course is brand new, and as modules are developed, they'll be released to members. This course is designed to be the most comprehensive exposure to using colored pencils available online. And like all the other courses, each high-definition video will include an ebook.
So why not join our community of over 2,000 learners and start learning today for just $37 a year? That's just about $3.08 a month. Plus, the program is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. If for whatever reason you're not completely satisfied, no worries. Just email me and I'll be glad to refund your money.
So how do you become a member? Well, signing up is easy. Just click on the subscribe button and start learning today.